all you guys. In this video I will show you that how to get this all resources. You just have to go to this website design.tools.com and you can search things here, like if you want to do illustrations or if you want icons, mockups, typography, stock photos. It has the collection of all. Like if I want to get an illustration, I will click here and it will also show that which tool is free and which is freemium or which is paid. So you can also visit the website, and I like this website personally. This is very good website. So and you can download it directly. So this was the whole thing. You can also explore AI tools from here. Now there are so many things, and if you want any improvement in the website, you can also tell in the comments. Okay, so for learning, this for blog, this area is there. Let's close this all, and thanks for watching the video. This video is just a short video for the purpose of creating video, and just go to design.tools.com. You can also find so many other tools here, like all text tools, like word counter, all small tools, like, and there are some good tools also, like YouTube tag generator, QR code generator, meta tag, SSL certificate checker, TikTok hashtag generator. Like I can show you, like Next.js projects, and it has generated all the tags. I personally generate tags from here.